This video will show you how to use PubMed as a full-text finding tool. That means if you have a citation for an article and you want to see if the library has full-text access, PubMed is one of the tools that you can use to check on that. We're going to start by navigating to PubMed from the library's homepage. You go to Resources and then Databases. On the database page, you'll see that there's a link to PubMed at the top, but you can also find it under the Medicine tab. We scroll down, we see a link to PubMed as well as other information and tutorials on how to use PubMed. So let's go to PubMed now. This is the PubMed homepage. So let's say I have this article and I want to see if the library has full-text access. I copy the title of the article and then I'll paste it in this PubMed search bar and hit search. This pulls the article up right away in PubMed, and I can go to the top right to view the full-text links. First is a link to the publisher's website, which you usually don't want to click because it will ask you to pay for the article. But what you'll also see is the USA Shield icon. This means that the library has full-text access to this article, so you always want to click on the USA Shield icon if it's there. So let's click on it now. It'll ask you first to log in using your full USA email address and email password. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of links to get to the full text. What I want to point out is print issues on this shelf. This means that we have a print copy of this journal on the shelf in the library, but clicking on this will not get you a digital copy, so please be aware of that. Otherwise, you can click on any of the other links that are available to get full text online. So let's click this link for full text at Wiley. So this opens up the full text PDF, which I can read right in my browser, or I can click the download PDF and save a copy to my computer. Let's try another example. Let's say we want this article from the Spine Journal. Once again, we copy the title, and we're going to go back to PubMed, paste the title in the search box again, and hit search. Like the previous article, it brings this one up right away, but under full text links, we only see the publisher's icon. We don't see the USA Shield icon, so this means that our library does not have full text access to this article. However, we could still get it for you through interlibrary loan. If you have any questions about how to use PubMed, please email us at library@usa.edu.